In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable Confluence Embed. If you want to display an Airtable base or a specific view directly inside Confluence, the process is actually very straightforward. The key is making sure you grab the correct Airtable link and place it into the right embed area inside your Confluence page so it displays properly. Start by opening the Airtable base or view you want to share. If your goal is to show a filtered view, a calendar, or a specific layout, make sure you are on that exact view before moving on. This matters because the link you copy should match exactly what you want people to see inside Confluence. Once you're in the right place, click Share in Airtable. From there, copy the view link or the embed link, depending on what your Airtable setup gives you. In many cases, the embed link is the better choice for displaying the content neatly inside another platform. Take a quick second here to confirm that you copied the full URL correctly before switching tabs. Next, open Confluence and go to the page where you want to embed Airtable. This can be an existing page or a new one you're preparing for your team. When you're on the correct page, click Edit so you can make changes. Inside the editor, add an embed, iframe, or Airtable macro if your Confluence workspace provides one. The exact option can vary depending on your Confluence version and installed integrations, but the idea is the same. You need a block that accepts a web link and displays it as embedded content. Now paste the Airtable URL into that macro or embed block. After pasting, give Confluence a moment to process the link. In some setups, the preview appears automatically. In others, you may need to confirm the embed or apply the macro settings before you see the table. Once the embed loads, preview it carefully. Check that the Airtable table displays correctly, that the layout looks clean, and that you're showing the intended view. This is an important step because it helps you catch formatting issues before the page goes live. If something looks off, double check that you copied the correct Airtable link and inserted it into the proper embed option. When everything looks good, save or publish the Confluence page. After publishing, your Airtable content should be visible right inside Confluence, making it easier for others to access live information without leaving the page. And that's how to embed Airtable into Confluence quickly and cleanly.